Time to harvest my onions and my garlic. Got my onion back there to harvest. I'm getting ready to pull you guys out. Getting ready to pull you out of the dirt. Getting ready to pull you out of the dirt. Look how big you are. And you grew back some of your green onions, top of the green onions that I had cut off. You grew some of them back too. Okay. Look at you. Look at you coming out of the ground now. You look big. Okay. Let's get ready to pull you out of this dirt. Okay. Onions. Onion, you ready to come out? You ready to come out? Here we go. Look how big that is. Look at you. You look good. Okay, I've harvested an onion. Look how big that bulb is. That looks nice. This is my yellow onions. Look at that. And then it still had all of the long green onion tops on it. I could cut them off and use them as seasoning when I'm cooking. Okay, let's see what this next one's gonna look like. It's kind of small. Okay, got a little small one there. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Some of that dirt off of you. Okay. Look at you. That's a little one. Another one. Okay. This one like it's gonna be another big one here. This one here kind of wet. Yeah, it done got kind of soft. I got to throw that one away. Go another big one. Ah, look at that onion bulb. Look at that onion bulb. That's a big one. Look at that. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what this one is. Look at that. Look, it look like a garlic got in stuck in here. Mixed in with the onions. Okay, let me harvest the onions over here in this back part of the bed. Look like a lot of them gonna be some smaller ones. They'll still cook the same. Okay, let's see, this one here look like it's gonna be big. Okay. 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 Look at the look at the green onion tops on this one. I can cut up and put in my freezer. I can cut up and use as seasoning in my meals. Look at that. Look how long that. There's a lot of green onions on that. Okay, let's see this one here. Oh, look at that bug. That onion bug. Okay. That's good. And they got a lot of green onion tops on that one too. Okay, got another one. Look big. Okay. A lot of green onion tops. Okay. Okay, so far I had 2 soft ones. They must have got too much of the rain water that got on them. Got too wet for them. There's 2 of them that didn't come out hard. Okay. Now this one is. There's another soft one. This area here must have got too much of the rain water. It sure did rain a lot over in our area. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's see how this one is. Okay. Got a lot of onion tops on that. Green onion tops on those. Okay. Let's see how did he make out. Okay. Got a lot of green onion tops on that one. Okay, my first harvest of onions from Big Mama's garden. That looks great. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in a dry area and let them harden out for about a week. Then I can store them until I'm ready to cook them. Okay, now I'm getting ready to harvest my garlic. Let's see here. Okay. My second garlic, cause this one here, this other one got stuck over there with the onions. So I got 2 garlics so far. Okay, let's see this one here. Look at that garlic. That look good. Okay. Oh, look at the garlic. Oh, okay. That looks good. Okay, garlic. Okay. Okay, garlic. Let's see. Oh, that's a big one. Look at that. Okay. Down here. to how hard they are. Okay. Ooh. Come on out. Ooh, that one was a big one. Okay, God. Ooh. That one don't want to come out. Let me pull this one here. I have to get something to pull that one out. Get close to the end. Those two don't want to come out. Okay, gotta fight with those two. Okay, that two didn't want to come out. I gotta go get my little hand shovel and pull them out. I got a lot of garlic over here. My first harvest of garlic. Looking good. Okay, I had to get a little help to get these two out. Oh no, it broke off in there. That one was stuck down in there. Didn't want to come out. Okay. Had to dig it all the way down to get that one out. It didn't want to come out. The top of it broke off. Hard to get out. I guess I better dig around it a little bit before I start trying to pull it. Pull the top of that one off and dig around it. Get it out of there. A little better. That one got it. There we go. Last one. Last two was hard. Okay, this is my first harvest of garlic. Okay, I have my garlic and my onion laid out here to dry, to harden up. I counted about 16 garlic and 18 onions that I harvest today. My first onion and garlic that I grew in Big Mama's garden. Not too bad. I let them harden out for about a week in here. And then I can store them and have them ready for when I'm ready to cook with them. My first harvest of garlic and onion from Big Mama's garden. Not too bad. Next time I'll plant a whole lot more. Thanks for stopping by. If you hadn't hit that subscribe to like button, do it now so you can receive all my latest videos and updates. See you next time at Big Mama's Garden.